All right, y'all, this is for all my Galaxy girls that love their wigs but can absolutely not maintain a frontal at home. So let's get into this glueless, almost maintenance-free wig. All right, YouTube, it's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Elfin, for giving us this 24-inch curly lace closure unit.
Oh, is this the new thing? Oh, it's the curly hairband. Dang, nah, I want to open it because the people is on this on social media. One of my girls came into class like this. No judgment. I love you if you watch this because I feel like this is something you would watch. I never really knew how this would work, but thanks. Okay, another look. And this is not the cheap kind. This is the one that really gets the job done. And look, it has the thing to, ooh, awkward. Okay, yeah. Who is this from? Elfin, this is giving me top tier. And it's, first off, don't even be concerned if you don't have them. They do. I like that. It's 2022. There's no excuses not to have an edge. Okay. And even instructions. So get it right and get it tight. There's no excuse not to. 2 wig caps. There is more. We just keep coming. Okay, and look at that, branded. We love to see it. I like that. They really know how to throw a package together. Come on. Because if it's going to be wet and wavy, your edges better be too, okay?
Okay, I like that. I like the generous hair package. Like, that shows the company really cares about y'all and really wants y'all to maintain y'all wigs. So thank you once again so much, Elfin, for sponsoring this video with a 24-inch curly lace closure unit, and y'all already know it's glueless. All right, so before Chloe came to my studio, she went to a braid shop to get her hair braided. And in between her braids, I don't know if y'all noticed, it's not dandruff, it's actually dried up edge control. So that's that, white thing a little bit. So I had to sew up her braids so they don't, pop out the bottom of her wig, because we definitely don't want that. Now, I'm so excited for Chloe today because she's excited. Like, this is her second wig ever, and this is her first curly wig ever. The first one we did was a body wave wig, but I know that this one's gonna give her life and make her feel foreign. Listen, that's what them curly wigs be doing.
Wow. Wigs really,
I'm loving this.
They really
I don't want to wet it.
Me.
You want to wet it?
I don't know. Girl, I don't know nothing. I know nothing about nothing.
Well, how you want to look? Do you want it to be wet wavy, or do you want it big like that? Now just work around whatever we got right now.
I'm the most indecisive person in America.
Now, I do a lot of wet and wavy looks on my channel. So for her, my initial idea was to do the big, fluffy curls on her. But I think she wanted the wet and wavy look. But that's okay, because once she leaves, it's going to get big anyway. So now we have to decide if we're doing a middle part or a side part.
Do I like the middle part? I don't know. Is it from the 80s?
I don't know what happened just now.
I don't either, because as you were doing it, I was like, I'm going to trust her. But it just went to 80s. It got, yeah, it's middle for me.
Okay, you know what? Try to imagine it flat and just try to imagine it, done.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, that side part was just not doing it for us. So we're gonna go ahead and go with the middle part. Now, back in the day, all I would have done to this hairstyle was pluck the part, put some foam on it, some water, and have my girls out the door. But now I know better than that, and I actually mold the hair now because even though we're doing a wet style, we still want to put some heat to the top, with the hot comb. And now that I remember, back in the day, I didn't even do baby hair on closures. And baby hairs are needed on closures to make it look more realistic and not so square and boxy. So we're definitely plucking the part, doing the baby hairs, molding it, and I'm gonna flatten it with the hot comb after we're done.
Just gel. It's your gel, bitch. The fuck? People be trying to downplay. She got her own gel. Yeah.
Aw, thank you, girl. Thank you, girl. Okay, so while I'm doing this install, I want to give y'all a little backstory on me and Chloe's friendship and how we know each other. So basically, we've known each other since elementary school, like 4th grade. And now, when I tell the story of how we met, she gonna say another story. I don't know what the hell she gonna say, but I was the first person that she talked to and knew at our school. I don't know, listen, anyways. So I was in art class and this girl came in, cute with her little J's on or whatever. And from New York, her name Chloe, and the art teacher sat her right next to me. And she was just complimenting me since day one. Like, oh my gosh, you're so pretty. Oh my gosh, you're really good at this. You can draw, you can do the projects. And she was just super encouraging from day one. Now, me and her, we're so much alike in so many ways, but we can be opposites in others, right? So I would tell her, I feel like you're the extroverted version of me. Like, her personality is loud and rambunctious, and mine can be, loud and rambunctious sometimes. But I feel like with hers, she doesn't turn hers off. I feel like mine has to be like forced out of me sometimes, or I have to be like creating or making content, but she is just who she is all the time. Can't turn it down, can't turn it off. She's just who she is. And when we were in high school, we found ourselves in messy situations with our homegirls, my group of friends versus her group of friends. And sometimes it just got so messy. But the thing is, with me and her, we just always had a mutual respect for each other. Like, this is literally one of those friendships where it's like you don't see someone for 5 years, but the moment y'all cross paths again and the moment y'all link up, it's like not a day has passed. All right, you guys. So I had to see what the big curly was gonna look like because, I couldn't help myself. So right now, I'm gonna show you just a little close up of what this wig will look like on you if you kept the curls dry. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and jump into the second look for this wig, which is the super wet, the wet and wavy, the drunk in love, the fresh out the pool, summer vibes. So what I'm going to do to try to define her curls more is, first of all, wet the whole thing. Make sure you get the ends, make sure you get in between, underneath, all that stuff. Make sure it's no dry hair in sight. Then I'm going to take my Tropical Root setting foam and pump it on top, through the hair, under the hair, on the ends, all over every strand, so it makes each curl nice and defined. Okay, so this is the second and final look for today. Number one, I am loving the baby hairs. I love how her natural baby hairs just blend in with the closure baby hairs. It's like, girl, where does it end? Where does it begin? Like, yeah, those at the sideburns, those are her real baby hairs. So once again, thank you so much, Elfin, for sponsoring this video with this 24-inch curly lace closure wig. Now, if you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that. Turn on your notifications, and I'll see y'all later.